Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Power down the projector and unplug it for at least 30 minutes before opening. This allows the lamp and housing to cool safely. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a lint-free cloth, and a replacement lamp rated for your model. Check the model number on the lamp or manual before purchase to ensure fit. Work on a flat surface with at least 3 feet of clear space and good lighting. Place the projector on a soft towel to avoid scratches during the process. Remove the lamp cover by undoing 3 screws and set them aside carefully. Keep the screws in a small container to prevent loss while you work. Unscrew the lamp module screws and pull the lamp handle straight up and out without twisting. Handle the lamp by its metal housing to avoid touching the glass bulb surface. Inspect the lamp housing for dust and clean with a dry, lint-free cloth, not compressed air. Note any broken pieces and prepare for safe disposal in accordance with local rules. Insert the new lamp module firmly until it seats and then tighten the screws securely. Make sure the lamp tab aligns with the slot and do not force the module. Replace the lamp cover, tighten its 3 screws, then plug in the projector and power on. Allow the projector to warm up for about 5 minutes and verify normal brightness and color. Reset the lamp hour counter according to the projector menu after successful startup to track lifespan. Dispose of the old lamp following manufacturer or local electronic waste guidelines.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.